Hello, my visitors. I came an explanation of engineering drawing. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel. And also wait with me until the end of this video.
Drafting tools and equipment.
Drawing paper, pins, clips, or adhesive tapes. Pencils, T-square, set square, scale, drafter, roller scale, protractor, French curves, compass, and eraser.
Drawing table has legs, adjustable top, working edge, and smooth surface to keep the drawing paper.
Drawing board is rectangular in shape. The surface of the board should be smooth, and it is used to keep the drawing paper.
Drawing paper is placed above the drawing table.
While selecting a drawing paper, we have to be sure that the size of the paper is smaller than the drawing board.
Masking tape is used to fasten the drawing paper into the drawing table.
To hold this drawing paper, we use pins or clips or adhesive tapes.
Pencils mainly used in artistic drawing and sketching.
Pencils are basically used to draw. The accuracy and appearance of a drawing depends on the quality of the pencils used. The grade of pencils, H, 2H, and HB are mostly used.
Pencil sharpener is used to sharpen the pencil. Laser is used to remove unnecessary lines.
Soft Indian rubber is widely used to erase pencil drawings. The eraser should be such that it does not spoil the surface of the paper.
Erasing shield is used to protect the rest of the drawing while removing unnecessary lines. Template is used as a guide or pattern in drawing. French curve is used to draw curve which cannot be drawn by compass.
The French curve. They are made in various shapes, one of which is shown here. French curve is used for drawing curves which cannot be drawn with a compass. It is used to draw curves like ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, etc.
Compass is used to draw regular curve.
A compass is used to draw a circle of a specific radius and an arc at a specific distance.
T-square is used as a guide in drawing horizontal line.
Is the T-square. It is made of two parts, the stock and the blade, which are joined together at right angles by means of screws and pins. T-square is fitted at the side of the drawing board and it slides along the edge of the board and is used to draw horizontal straight lines. Set square is triangular in shape with one of the angles as right angle. Two forms of the set square are generally used. One having angles 45, 45 and 90 degree and the other is 30, 60, 90.
Triangle with a combination of T-square is used as a guide in drawing diagonal and vertical lines.
Set square is a combination with T-square is used to draw lines at an angle. A scale is used to draw lines of specific length. Next is a roller scale. It has a roller in it. It is used for drawing vertical lines, horizontal lines, parallel lines, angles and circles. Protractor is flat and semicircular in shape. Its circumferential edge is graduated to 1-degree divisions and is numbered at every 10-degree interval and is readable from both the ends. The protractor is used to draw or measure angles.
Protractor is used as a guide to draw or measure angle.
The combination of a T-square, a set square, scales, and a protractor is a drafter. Its one end is clamped by means of a screw at the edge of the drawing board. The other end is adjustable. It has a scale which is at 90 degree and also has a protractor which can be rotated at certain angles. This scale can be moved anywhere we want within its limits.
Freehand sketching and drafting are the same in terms of tools and materials, except that freehand sketching don't use straight edges and compass.
Drawing board, drawing paper, pins, clips or adhesive tapes, pencils, T-square, set square, scale, drafter, roller scale, protractor, French curves, compass and eraser and their
ውድ ተመልካቾቼ ለዛሬ ይዤላችሁ የቀረብኩት መረጃ ይሄንን ይመስል ነበር። ቻናሌን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ላይክ፣ ኮሜንት ማድረጋችሁንና ለሌሎች ማጋራታችሁን እንዲሁም አዳዲስ ቪዲዮዎች ሲለቀቁ የማሳወቂያ መልእክት እንዲደርሳችሁ የደወል ምልክቷን መጫናችሁን እንዳትረሱ እያሳሰብኩ በቀጣዩ ክፍል እስከምንገናኝ መልካም ጊዜ ተመኘሁ። Sure, see you again. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and click the bell to get the notification when uploading new videos. Thank you so much, my dear.